In my other videos about panic attacks, I discussed the major causes of panic attacks, why they happen. Once you can see the logic of why panic attacks occur, it's pretty easy to understand why they're likely to surface when you're driving. Remember, a big part of what contributes to a panic attack is what's lingering in your subconscious mind, which are the thought remnants of your day or week or year or more. If we've been doing a lot of worrying or negative expectation in the recent past, that stuff is still lingering in our minds, and our bodies may later react to those thought remnants as if they're actual danger, even if we're not consciously thinking about them in the present moment. The way your body reacts to them is by releasing some fight or flight stress hormones, such as adrenaline. Now, if this happens at a time when we're in a non-stressful situation, and we notice that adrenaline-like sensation, the feeling seems out of place. It's unusual, we don't recognize it, and therefore we get concerned about the feeling itself. Well, think about it. The sensation of adrenaline is already fear-based. When we start to get concerned about that unusual feeling, well, that concern is just adding more fear, which then amplifies the anxiety adrenaline sensation more. That's where the panic attack spiral starts to take off. So, why is it likely to happen when we're driving? Well, for many of us, when we're in our cars, we're also kind of in our own little world. It's some alone time, and we do a lot of thinking in our cars. Yes, we should be paying attention to the road, but the fact is that most of us are able to drive somewhat on autopilot, and we're doing a lot of thinking, spacing out, and internalizing while we drive. That means a lot of internal body energy awareness while we're driving. Well, this is the perfect environment for a panic attack spiral to begin. So, is there anything you can do about it? Absolutely. I've already covered my approach in other videos, so I won't repeat that same information here, but feel free to visit my channel, or better yet, I have a free audio that you can listen to that explains exactly how I overcame panic disorder in my life, and I've seen it work almost magically for many people. If you're interested, you can find that at mc2method.org. Once you're on the listening page, be sure to click the anxiety link for the appropriate instructions. It's totally free to listen to, and you don't need to sign up for anything. Again, that's mc2method.org. Thank you for watching.